Hi guys, I'm Zara and this is a tutorial on how to create 1920s flapper girl makeup. First step is to apply foundation all over the face. Just apply this all over the face, getting really good coverage and obviously blend really well. The aim is to get a flawless pale complexion. Carry on over the eyelids and up into the forehead. Now I'm going to conceal under my eyes. I'm also going to cover up any blemishes. Now I'm also going to conceal my lips and my eyebrows, because back in the 1920s they actually had really thin eyebrows, so I need to pare mine back a bit. Really conceal your eyebrows because we're going to draw them on much thinner later on. I'm now going to finish off with powder. Don't be afraid to pile on the powder because we want to build a pale complexion. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows now. All I'm going to do is I'm going to accentuate the arch of my brow, starting from the inner and working towards the outer corner. Just use little brush strokes. When you're finished filling in, then use the brush of your pencil just to soften those lines a bit. You can also use the pencil to just elongate your brow a little bit. On the ends, just gently extend that line. I'm now going to move on to priming my eyes. Apply the primer all over the eyelid. After priming, I'm going to apply a matte skin tone shade all over the eyelid. After that's done, I'm then going to go in with a darker brown colour. And I'm going to try and create a triangle shape from the inner corner of my eye to the outer. Because this is quite a dramatic eye look, you can take the eyeshadow up further than you usually would, so don't be scared to do that. Now I'm going to go in with an even darker shade of brown. You can mix two together again if you feel like you need to. And working on the outer corner of your eye, you're going to create a circular shape going inwards. This look is all about the eyes, so don't be afraid to go heavy on the shadow, but just make sure it's really blended in. This look's all about round eyes, so use the shadow to really create that shape. You can even work down the bridge of your nose. Carry it down there. Once that's done, I'm then going to move on to a darker shade, and I'm going to use this under the eyelid. And now I'm going to move on to the other eye. I'm now going to go in with eyeliner. Start at the bottom, then move on to the waterline, and finally move on to the top. I'm really going to layer this on. For this look, the more the better. A kohl eyeliner is great for this look because they're really easy to smudge and blend. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Give it 2 to 3 pumps just to really set that curl. And then apply your mascara. Coat your top and bottom lashes. I'm going to add some blusher. This isn't to add colour, but to add structure to my face. Really work the blusher into the contours of your face. I'm going to line my lips, really accentuating my Cupid's bow. And then move on to your bottom lip. So again, we're going to cut off your normal lip line. and then fill in with lipstick. If you want to get a more defined look, you can also use a lip brush. And now we're going to move on to concealing. I'm going to use the concealer to go right into the corners of my lips. So this will help create that 1920s look. And there you go, that's your Flapper Girl makeup. Check out the hair tutorial on Superdrug Love's YouTube page.